Be rid of your doubt. I am with you.
I am very grateful for your encouragement, Minister.
I've always been yours, Princess.
Pardon me?
I mean, serving you is my duty, Princess.
You are very right, Minister. I intend the success of the victory celebration.
Amen. Amen.
Brother-in-law, I don't understand one thing. Why did you give the responsibility of the victory celebration to the princess? If we were assigned the duty of protecting the Sultan, then we could have very easily killed the great Sultan, you see?
The princess is very sentimental about her father, you see. But, she is inexperienced. The princess will keep making mistakes. Under the pretext of correcting her mistakes, I will achieve all my goals one day. In the celebration of Jashn-e-Fateh, the Sultan will die. The princess will blame herself for the Sultan's death, along with consoling the princess during all this. I'll take over the throne of Baghdad.
If Muchad has even half a brain, then he will understand my signal.
No throne nor a crown, but still I shall rule. Celebratory fate signals that the time has come for the Sultan to die. As always, the Sultan will come out from that part of the palace. He will greet his subjects as a sign of peace. He will release 1,000 pigeons at that very moment. From that corner of the palace, my marksmen will target the Sultan.
Amen. Hur Muchad! Hur Muchad!
Move aside, move aside, move aside. I request all of you that you should get out of here.
What insolence is this?
Sir, the cage of jungles has crossed an ocean of fire to actually come and meet you.
What nonsense are you talking?
Sir, you are forgetting the cage and the fire in front of the cage.
And the lamp in front of the fire.
And beyond the lamp.
The lamp.
Dismissed.
Brother-in-law, we have found the
Yes,
lamp.
brother-in-law.
Aunt?
Yes, Gulbadan?
I was just passing through here and then something happened.
What happened, Gulbadan?
The aroma of your cooking stopped me in my tracks. So I thought that I should eat here only.
Of course, of course.
But do not tell my mother, please. I will not be left with a mouth to eat. Oh my goodness. What is this madness? I went away for a moment and Gulbadan has dug his heels in.
Here you go.
But as long as I'm here, you cannot trouble my mother. Aunt, with this tasty food, if I can get tomato and onion salad, then it would be heaven on earth.
Dear Gulbadan, we are out of tomatoes. Hey, don't feel bad, okay? I'll borrow some from our neighbor. Wait here.
You are not going to eat this free salad. I will scare you so much that you will not believe it also. Hit him, hit him, hit him. Oh, good. Hey, mosquito. How dare you sit on such a beautiful face? Hit him, hit him, hit him. Go, go, go. Mosquitoes are such a big problem. I'm dead, water, water. You spoiled brat. I will get some water for you now. Water, water. Water, 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 water. Here is water. Thank you so very much. Had you not given me water, who was it? Who gave me water? What is happening? Who is it? Why is it eerily silent? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? My darling Gulbadan, your dear ghost Champa is here for you. Are you thirsty? Do you want me to bring water? No, no more water. You want to have tasty food? Have tasty food. Have tasty food. Have tasty food. Now she will eat you now. Come, brother-in-law.
Come. There.
If this is some kind of joke, then there will be no forgiveness for this.
No, brother-in-law. No, it's not a joke. Look, the lamp is on the moon, brother-in-law.
I cannot believe this. I just can't believe this. The black thief is the second person who has touched my heart.
Then
Who is the first one,
brother-in-law?
Me, myself?
But brother-in-law, what does this signal mean?
Where are you going, my dear?
I have sent the invitation. Now I have to meet Muchar.
Did he understand where you want to meet him?
But brother-in-law, what does showing the image on the moon mean?
Wonderful. Wonderful, Black Thief. The time has come to meet the Black Thief
But where?
on the Chand Minar, where the Black Thief is going to be killed by me.
Mom, the moment I was waiting for has arrived. Now I am going to change our lives at any cost. Muchar wants the lamp. He's gonna get the lamp. But not without making a deal with me. He has to return our happiness.
That which Champa has come even to my brother's house. My sweetheart Gulbadan, today you will be Today, looking at the moon with mustache, I thought of telling you something.
What do you want to say?
Even that my sister also looks like this moon.
You're a moron, I swear. Where has brother-in-law disappeared after asking us to look out for the black thief? What if he fell down from the tower?
At least say something nice sometimes. It is very much possible that
What
he has
happened?
died.
You idiot! Shh! Speak softly. Will you put us in trouble?
Hasn't the Black Thief come yet?
Who are
Who
you?
is that?
Who are you?
Who are you?
The Black Thief should not see our real faces.
Brother-in-law, you!
Where is the Black Thief?
Brother-in-law, the black thief is here. And that too on time. It seems that she has left. Listen to me. Please listen to me. What harm have I done to you? The same question I don't know how many people have asked me all the time. But I have made them suffer and consume them. But I will make you my life partner, and then I will marry you also. No marriage. And after that, we will have cute and little ghost babies. Bitch, I cannot marry to you. You resemble my mother. Keep quiet. Such a big insult. You have compared my beauty to your ugly and fat mother. This is not right. Just wait and watch. Till now you have only seen my love for you. And now you will have to face my wrath. I want to go to my mother. I want to go to my father also. Father, mother. If Gulbadan sees my real face, then it will be a problem. Oh my goodness, what is this madness?
That's not the black thief. In fact, that's my good luck walking towards me. I think you have found a great trick to get to me. To be honest, you have turned out to be more shrewd than I expected.
And you turned out to be a bigger fraud than I had expected. Muchar.
You have recognized me. You have won my heart.
But you broke my heart. And a thief can deceive the entire world. But a thief does not deceive another thief. You used me to get the magical lamp, but in return, you wanted to kill me instead of giving me the gold coins.
No. You are mistaken. I did not deceive you.
And I'm not someone who can be deceived.
Well done. All right. Every condition of the deal will be fulfilled. You take 10,000 gold coins
take these 10,000 gold coins and give me the magical lamp.
The lamp is on the moon. All the best for your journey to the moon, Michhad.